Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VIVE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days, both Tuesday and then today, Wednesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But want to get things updated here as a nice recovery, and overall not the greatest of days, but I would say that from when you factor in context, definitely a nice day. I mean, because let's think about what was occurring before this morning. So yesterday, basically from mid-morning for the remainder of the day, just down, pure bearishness, and things were looking very sketchy. And then, this morning, not only did the price level out, but got an actual nice move to the downside. Now, granted, and this is where it's not like it was a great day because the price, sure, it did pull back from those highs. But the point here being is that looking at, today in conjunction with yesterday on Tuesday, the price for those reasons actually fought back very nice because going into today, there's a whole lot of downwards momentum. So good to see that, this area down here at 15 cents, which is representing, the support line right there, did indeed hold strong, and we'll see if that continues or not going forward. Just as a quick reminder, why is 15 cents such an important level of support? If the price were to go down there and then break down through it, well, at that point in time, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was, and not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. So that is why 15 cents is important. But, so far so good. The price is not only holding above there, but then the other dynamic that occurred after today was you have this sort of movement where you have these lows now starting to get higher and higher, or if you want to picture those as stair steps, got some stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. Now, don't get me wrong, and I really wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because there's some stair steps progressing in the upwards direction does not mean that this thing is for sure bottoming out and this thing is for sure going up to 25 cents. Now, would it be shocking to see another attempt up here at this level of resistance around 21, 22 cents? No, that wouldn't be shocking at all, but no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So that is why you got to keep that in mind, and as always, keep risk management and risk control at the forefront of any strategy. But overall, definitely some interesting movement after today, and just circling back to the whole big thing. You got to keep things in context, and it was very, very bearish headed into today, but the bulls kind of sustained that storm very nicely, and we'll see if they can continue to kind of weather this storm or not by staying above 15 cents. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.